What if your business phone could answer itself, qualify leads, or book appointments 24/7? That's the promise of AI phone agents, and Synthflow AI is a platform aiming to do just that. In this review, we're going to put it under the microscope, explore everything it offers, and find out if it's the best solution on the market or if it's still a work in progress. Stick around for a full demo and my honest take, based solely on the information from the Synthflow.ai website. This platform positions itself as an enterprise-ready voice AI agent platform designed to fully automate business phone calls. The core promise is an end-to-end solution that includes its own in-house telephony system, a proven deployment framework, and the delivery of a return on investment within weeks. The website provides interactive demos showcasing 3 specific use cases, which are very helpful for understanding its application. For lead qualification, like in real estate, the AI agent named Paul is designed to have a calm and helpful conversation with potential buyers. It asks natural questions about their budget, desired location, and timeline to qualify them before smoothly offering to book a call with a human agent. For customer support such as restaurant reservations, the Laura agent demonstrates handling bookings conversationally, managing details like date, party size, and special occasions with a warm and charming tone. Synthflow AI offers 2 main pricing tiers. The first is a pay-as-you-go plan designed for builders and small-scale deployments. It's free to start with usage-based billing after launch, includes up to 5 concurrent calls with an option for more, and features standard compliance. The second is an enterprise plan for teams handling over 10,000 minutes per month. It offers guaranteed high uptime, unlimited calls, custom workflows, white label options, advanced security compliance, and includes dedicated onboarding and support, with pricing available upon contacting sales. And that's my detailed take on Synthflow AI. The promise of automating phone calls is incredibly compelling for efficiency and scaling, and this platform provides a clear, demo-backed vision for how it works in practice for common business tasks. Its strength lies in those defined scenarios, but its limitations likely exist at the edges of complex human conversation. Whether it's the best comes down to how closely your needs match its specialized capabilities. Have you tried any AI, iPhone agents? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear about them. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.